In the annals of human history, the pursuit of justice has been a constant endeavor, a dance between the forces of law and the elusive fugitives who sought to evade its grasp. In the early 19th century, a new dance began, one that would forever change the way crimes were solved and criminals were brought to justice. This dance was the birth of forensic science, a ballet of discovery and deduction that would unfold in the exotic city of Calcutta, India. The year was 1858, and the city buzzed with the energy of a metropolis on the cusp of modernity. In the heart of this bustling city, a crime of unimaginable cruelty had taken place. A wealthy merchant named William Hickey was found brutally murdered in his home. The police were at a loss, the case seemed unsolvable, and the city was gripped by fear. Enter Dr. William Herschel, a brilliant and eccentric scientist, who had been working tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of the human body. Herschel, intrigued by the mystery, decided to apply his knowledge of anatomy and physiology to the case. His first breakthrough came when he noticed something unusual on a piece of fabric found at the crime scene. A series of ridges and whorls that were distinctly human, but not like any fingerprint he had seen before. Intrigued, Herschel began to study these markings, trying to find a way to use them to identify the killer. Herschel's research took him to the realm of the uncharted, a world where science and criminal investigation intertwined. He spent countless hours poring over books, experimenting with different materials, and making meticulous observations. His pursuit was relentless, his passion undeterred. After months of tireless work, Herschel made a breakthrough. He discovered that every person has unique fingerprints, as distinct as a snowflake. This revelation was the dawn of a new era in criminal investigation. With this newfound knowledge, Herschel was able to create the first ever fingerprint database. He used this database to identify the killer of William Hickey, a man named Dwarkanath Dutta. Dutta was arrested, tried, and sentenced to hang for his crime. The conviction of Dwarkanath Dutta marked a pivotal moment in history. The use of fingerprint evidence in criminal investigations was no longer a theory, but a reality. Forensic science had found its footing, and it would forever change the landscape of justice. In the years that followed, forensic science would continue to evolve, with new techniques and technologies being developed. But it all began with a single man's relentless pursuit of truth and justice, a man named Dr. William Herschel. His work would inspire generations of scientists and investigators, proving that with dedication, curiosity, and a willingness to push the boundaries of what is known, justice can be served. The dance between law and crime would continue, but with the tools of forensic science, the balance would begin to tip in favor of justice. In Calcutta, on that fateful day in 1858, the dawn of a new era had begun, a dance between science and crime that would forever change the course of history. And it all started with a single, unique set of fingerprints.